Hello, welcome to a message from our friends in the mythical realm. I'm Sara Jane and I act as a channel for many mythical beings. This particular message is from the sunbirds. If you've never listened to these before, may I suggest that you just relax, close your eyes and listen. I have no idea what's coming through. Literally as I record this, the message is coming to share with all of you. So let's see what the sunbirds have to share with us. Sunshine brightens your life. Fun and laughter brighten your life. Joy and happiness brighten your life. Love brightens your life. There is so much out there and within you that brightens up your life. Are you opening your heart and your mind to it? Are you opening your eyes and your ears? Are you opening your heart to the joy, the happiness, the laughter, the fun that surrounds you, the beauty that surrounds you, the nature that surrounds you? Go outdoors. Breathe in the fresh air. Feel the kiss of the sun. The breeze as it touches your skin. The rain as it gently falls. Feel nature. Feel the earth beneath your feet. The trunk of a tree against your back as you rest against it. The sand between your toes as you walk on the beach. The waves as they wash over your feet. Feel. Let yourself feel. Yes, it is wonderful to feel all the good things in life. Allow yourself to feel those things that hurt. Feel them. What are they saying to you? What is speaking to you? Why do you feel the way you feel? Tune into that feeling. Allow the tears to flow, to wash away the hurt and the pain. Allow yourself the freedom from past experiences. Learn to love yourself, the whole of you. Mistakes, getting things wrong, do they really exist? Or is it time to start thinking of them in a different way, as a stepping stone, as a learning curve, as just a way of knowing that there are other ways of doing things? Be true to you. Listen to your heart. It is your connection to your soul. Listen to your feelings. Listen to your gut instincts, inspiration, intuition. Listen to what speaks to you. And when you open to everything, you can find beauty everywhere. And that includes yourself. You are a beautiful creation that belongs here at this time. There is a beautiful gift. You are a beautiful gift to this time. Trust and believe in yourself. Namaste. If you would like to read the message, you will find it on ourmagicalfriends.com. I think it's under Messages and Wisdom. The website's been there so long and I still can't remember. Ourmagicalfriends.com. And though you will find messages there also from the dragons that guard over the Earth's crystals and many, many other mythical beings. Please enjoy them. They are there for you. If you would like to receive PDF copies of the messages as they become available, please feel free to go to the website and sign up for the monthly newsletter. It just comes out once a month. And in that monthly newsletter, you will receive the brand new message from the mythical beings and the previous month's message from the Crystal's Dragons. Thank you for joining me. I hope you will join me again soon. Love, peace and light to you all. Take care, be safe, stay well. Namaste.